Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a review on the new collection from Olens and they're called Nils. I don't know if they're actually called Nils or they are spelled N-I-L-S. I'm not sure how they say it, but I'm just gonna call it Nils, and in my head it just sounds like next in line for some reason. Anywho, this collection comes in two different colors, grey and brown, so let's get the review started. This collection states that it's supposed to give you a very natural looking contact lens, but also mainly is to enlarge your eyes. So this enlargement is actually way bigger than the usual natural contact lenses from Olens. The diameter for this is actually 13.5mm, and I'll do some like comparisons of this with like other natural contact lens that I like from Olens as well at the end of this video, so you guys get the gist of like, you know, the diameter wise. But I have to say the enlargement for this is definitely very big. With this contact lens, it lasts for a month, so it comes in a pair in a box, or if you're like me, you would have to get like 2 boxes and you get like 2 pairs, which means it will last you for like 2 months. Cost of this is actually $29 but I believe they're having a deal, but I'm not sure by the time I put this out whether the deal will last or not. But anywho, the original price is actually $29. In terms of the pattern, it's supposed to give you like a very seamless pattern, but I've also noticed there's some kind of border around the contact lens as well, hence why it gives you a bit of that enlargement. But let's talk about the color brown first. In terms of the brown, when I first saw it, I thought that it might be like a two-tone color, but when I actually put it on, it was like a combination of dark brown on the outer part, then you get all those zigzaggy line going in, then you get a bit of that golden brown and a little bit of hazel as well. So I feel like it gives you a bit of that trio toned color. When I put that on, it really reminds me of the YESSTYLE 3 Con Hazel contact lens, which I'll put like a side-by-side comparisons for you guys as well. With the YESSTYLE collection, the diameter for that one is actually 13.1mm, which means that it's actually 0.4mm smaller than this Nils collection. I also feel like the color wise, it actually really reminds me of the Vivi Ring&Brown / beige color as well. So I'll put like a side-by-side comparison for you guys. So imagine you get Vivi Ring color, but you get YESSTYLE 3 Con pattern, but you get a bit of that enlargement and a bit of that blur effect. You get Nils. You know, that's how I see it. So this is how I thought the brown one looks like, and I actually think that it's very beautiful. However, I do wish that it can be a little bit smaller because I feel like it was a little bit big when I compared with my natural eye, but I actually like the enlargement, so I actually didn't mind because comfort wise it's actually really comfortable. Next is the one I'm wearing right now, which is the grey, and again it reminds me of the YESSTYLE 3 Con grey as well, and so I'll put like a side-by-side for you guys. And in terms of the color, it really reminds me of like the real ring grey color, where you get a bit of that bluish grey cool tone color going on as well. And this one you don't really see much more of that trio color going on. It's more like two-tone, so you get like that black border, then you go in, you get that grey, but it's very seamless looking, it's very blur looking, and I just actually like this more than the brown for some reason. Even though I like the brown, but I feel like this grey is much more nicer on me. I don't know, I'm not sure, but I actually think that they are both completely different, even though that their enlargement are very similar. But pattern wise, even though they got the same pattern when you look at it, but when you put it on it's actually very different, and I find them very unique. To end this video, I'll talk a little bit about the comparisons. So I have a few comparisons here. I mentioned before, in terms of the Vivi Ring, the Vivi Ring diameter is actually 13.0, and again Nils is 13.5. Then you get Real Ring, which is actually 12.5, but Nils again is 13.5, so it's like 1.0 differences in terms of the millimeter. Then I also feel like if I compare this with Mood Night, I feel like the enlargement for this one is better than the Mood Night for me, even though Mood Night's diameter is 13.3. Not sure why, but yeah, that's how I feel, because I felt like the Mood Night one, the enlargement was a little bit too big for me, but this Nils one is actually bearable. Then the last one again is the YESSTYLE, which is 13.1 compared to the Nils 13.5. So I hope you guys enjoyed the comparisons and you guys get to see the color comparisons as well, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think of this collection, but I feel like Olens is trying to go down that path of trying to releasing more natural looking contact lens, but trying to, you know, switch things up a little bit. But I definitely wish that they have like a smaller diameter of this, because I would definitely love this, because it really reminds me of my Secriss 3 Con collection. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and my baby is awake, so I better go now. Bye guys!